all of three section. Hope you will be online today. Today I am going to teach you the next part, next stanza of the poem, The Macavity, the Mystery Cat, composed by T.S. Eliot. So look at the blackboard. This well-known poem composed by T.S. Eliot. In the second stanza or third stanza, we may see Macavity is a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, his brows is deeply lined with thoughts, his head is haggly dormant, his coat is dusty from neglected, his whiskers are uncombed. He sways head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. Macavity, dear no one like Macavity, for he's a fine in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crimes discovered, the Macavity is not there. So in this poem T.S. Eliot express the Macavity's feelings, what a Macavity, a mystery cat's work. Suppose you have pets and you can see in your book, on your book, the face of Macavity. What type of Macavity's feelings express? In this poem, Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Macavity जो है एक बहुत ही डरावनी और बहुत ही चतुर और बहुत ही लंबी और पतली बिल्ली है, रहस्यमयी बिल्ली है. You would know him if you saw him, और आप उसके बारे में जान सकते हैं him for his eyes are sunken, उसकी आंखों को देखकर, उसकी जो आंखें हैं उड़ती हुई आंखें, his brow is deeply lined, और उसकी जो आईब्रोज है वो बहुत ही डार्क है, with thoughts शैतानियों से भरी हुई, his head is haggly dormant, और उसका जो सर है, दिमाग है, वो बहुत ही चतुराई से, बहुत ही बदमाशी शैतानी से भरा हुआ है. His coat is dusty from neglected, his whiskers are uncombed, उसका जो कोट है, ओवरकोट जो उसने वेयर कर रखा है, पहन रखा है, वो डस्टी धूल से भरा हुआ है. His whiskers are uncombed, और जो उसकी whiskers इट मीन मॉस्टेज मूछे है वो uncombed है, व्यवस्थित नहीं है. His sways head from side to side, और उसका शैतानी जो दिमाग है वो मूव करता है, गति करता है with movement like a snake, सांप की तरह इधर उधर. And when you think he's half asleep, जब आप सोचते हैं कि वो सो गई है, आधी नींद में है, he's always wide awake, तो हमेशा जागती है. Macavity, dear no one like Macavity, और कभी कहना चाहते हैं कि Macavity के बराबर, इस रहस्यमय बिल्ली के बराबर कोई दूसरा नहीं है. For is fine in feline shape, और इस आकार में, जिस रूप में वो है, a monster of depravity, और इस आकार, इस मॉन्स्टर, इस राक्षस का एक शरीर में जिस प्रकार उसके कृत्य दिखते हैं, कार्य दिखते हैं, एक डेविल की तरह, एक बुराई की तरह काम करने वाली बहुत ही शैतान. यू मे मीट हिम इन ए बाई स्ट्रीट, आप उसको मिल सकते हैं गलियों में. यू मे सी हिम इन द स्क्वायर, और आप उसको कहीं चबूतरे, चौराहे के कहीं चबूतरे पे बैठा देख सकते हैं. सो यू रीड द पोएम एंड फाइंड आउट द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड. Here are one question, you have to do them. Write the summary of the poem. So I have taught you first stanza yesterday. You have to answer from the whole first and last stanza of this question. So next video I will be come back. So thanks.